You've got a call center to run and targets to meet, but are your outbound team's efforts hitting a wall? A campaign could help. In this video, we'll explore what a call center campaign is, why it's important, and 3 outbound call center campaigns your team should try. First of all, what is a call center campaign? A call center campaign is an effort to improve business results by proactively calling contacts or conducting an advertising blitz to increase sales or revenue. Let's send it over to our weather person for an example. Jessica? Thanks, Jessica. In the past few days, we've seen windy conditions hit certain local areas. Those in the roofing business know this means roof repairs. They're proactively calling customers to find out what services they can provide. Back to you, Jessica. Proactively calling customers to offer services, that's an example of strategic call center campaigning. Unlike regular call center operations, campaigns set clear goals, have specific key performance indicators or KPIs, and a distinct endpoint. Why are they important? For one, they allow businesses to respond to changes in their markets, like windy storms for roofers. Fresh call center campaigns also allow your agents to thrive and try different approaches to attract customers and leads. According to McKinsey Company, a management consulting firm, engaged call center employees are 3 times more likely to resolve customer issues, which means 3 times the happy customers for your business. And that's why today's vlog is brought to you by the number 3. To celebrate, I'm sharing 3 outbound call center campaigns. You don't seem excited enough. That's okay. You will be when your business is reaping the benefits of one of these campaigns. Let's start with the cold lead approach. Cold lead campaigns focus on outbound sales calls to cold prospects or leads. These are people without any previous interaction with your business, but may have needs or lifestyles very similar to your current customer base. A lot of companies buy phone number lists of likely prospects or get them from conferences and trade shows. However you gather the cold leads, just make sure they're high quality and fit your target market. For example, if you're in the karaoke machine business, silent meditation retreats probably shouldn't be on your call list. I don't think calls are even allowed here. Or socks. Calls like this will only waste time and money and put your company's reputation at risk. Another campaign to consider, warm lead qualification. Warm lead campaigns focus on qualifying warm prospects for potential sales opportunities. People who have already interacted with your marketing campaigns, maybe they subscribed to your blog or requested a product demo, are examples of warm leads. They may have outdated information about your products and services. It's also possible their needs and budgets have changed. Instead of trying to close a sale with them, focus your campaign on confirming their contact info and needs while identifying any potential obstacles. Review the lead's interest and document new information they provide in your CRM, so your sales professionals are set up for success. Digital contact lists make it easy for your reps to keep track of their calls. So easy, maybe your agents won't even need to visit a silent meditation retreat. Their brains will already be at ease as they glide through the stages of your well-organized CRM. They'll still need socks though. Yeah, I'm not letting that go. One word, athlete's foot, which is 2 words. But always one foot. How is it never athlete's feet? You can get it on both feet. I know people who have gotten it on both feet. Now to our 3rd campaign, customer referrals. A customer referral campaign focuses on existing satisfied customers. The goal with this one isn't to sell, but instead to gather ideas from your customers' impressions of your products. Using the right customer satisfaction survey questions with this campaign will offer in-depth insight that could help reduce churn and escalate small issues before they harm the relationship. With the right strategy, you could generate more referrals, even potential upsell opportunities. Hi, just me interrupting me to tell you that campaigns thrive with a contact center that allows for team collaboration and culture and analysis all on one platform. Nextiva's got one of those. For more info, find that link in the description. Bye, friend. Okay, so we've gone over what call center campaigns are, why they're important, and you've now got 3 campaign ideas under your belt. Want to learn more? Dive deeper via the blog link in our description. Have another business communications question? Ask in the comments. And as always, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vlog powered by Amazing Service. Until next time. Looks like I'm a totally different person, huh? Even this person isn't sure about those feet.